You can literally share YouTube videos and make money with this free app available worldwide. This is the easiest way to make money for anyone, whether you are a student or someone unemployed or just someone who is trying to make extra bucks. Doesn't really matter who you are or where are you from. You can easily make money using this method. Before I show you this method, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified for future videos. I want you to follow this video very carefully because in this tutorial, I will show you what needs to be done because every step counts in order to make money. We are going to start with heading to the popular platform youtube.com. Since you are watching my video, you must be already around YouTube. Plus, if you want, you can always share my video and make money from it. So how it works is you come to YouTube either with your smartphone app or with the laptop, and you will try and search for different problem-solving niches. For instance, you can use my channel. This channel helps you make money online and share my video links. You can even go ahead and search for something like how to lose weight and search it using YouTube search bar. Why exactly problem-solving videos? Well, people tend to search for such videos and we want those niches in which people are interested in, such as weight loss videos, where we see around millions of people view different weight loss videos because they're looking to solve this particular problem. Problems like getting rid of different phobias or tutorial videos where they can fix something or clean something. Whatsoever, you can just use that niche to your advantage. Now, when you find a particular video, we move to step 2, where you will open the video and proceed to click, share, and copy the link of that video. Next step is going to the platform that will earn us the money. I have shared the link below, which you can copy and open under description. This website has different payment methods you can choose from, depending on which suits you. I chose PayPal because that suits me. You can go on ahead and choose from either Payoneer or Bitcoin, whatever you feel is best for you. This platform actually, what it does is it shortens the link, and whenever you put a link to shorten it, then share it, that shortened link, and someone clicks the link, well, you get paid per click. You don't need to buy anything or spend anything. Just copy the link and paste it, shorten it, and share it. When someone clicks it, you get paid. So before you get paid, remember you have to register on the platform with your valid email address and legal name. Type in your password, and once you've confirmed your details, fill out the CAPTCHA. Remember, registration is absolutely free, and once you are taken to the dashboard, you will see the details of your earnings as well. There are also ways of earning like refer a friend, but our main focus is earning through YouTube videos. Once you copy the video link, all you need to do is paste the link, then hit shorten. Now use that shortened link that you will see on the screen and share it, so whenever someone clicks, you will be making money. In most cases, you will receive a couple of dollars per 1,000 views. Now you see, I've tried this method and it's worked like a charm, like I always say. And amazing that with this app, I was able to generate from $700 to $1,200. How amazing is that? So what I did was, I started searching YouTube and I found out that there are tons and tons of tutorial videos that people search for. They need answers on, for instance, how to lose weight, how to make muscle, how to go about starting your car. I've even had the opportunity to see how to repair mobile phones, like a cell phone. People generally can't afford to have their iPhone fixed from an Apple store, so they want to do it themselves. So tons and tons of tutorial videos. So what I did was I used the shortened link. I went to answers.com, I pasted, and you won't believe but one of my videos had generated about 135,000 views in 2 days. Now, the next problem is getting the traffic. For this, I have the best place. You need to go to Answers because it will generate those clicks hand-free. Head over to answers.com and you will see millions of people visit, coming from different countries. Go ahead and register yourself on answers.com. Don't worry, it is absolutely free. So sign up your account with your valid details. Once you're registered, go search for the people looking for a solution. So in my case, since I copied the weight loss video, I will search for people looking to lose weight and paste this shortened link. That way, when people search for weight loss, they will find my link and open it. Now, see it this way, I'm solving their problem by providing them with a valuable tutorial, which I found on YouTube. And in the end, I'm making a lot of money as well. So in summary, find a problem solving video, copy its link from YouTube, then head on to the platform that I've given in the description and get your account registered on this platform. Once registered, copy that YouTube link and shorten it. Use that shortened link on answers.com. Make sure you're registered on answers.com by searching for the answers according to your YouTube video. Once people click open the link, voila, you get paid. If you like the video, do give us a like and give us a comment below. Do subscribe to my channel and make sure to click the bell icon to be notified for the next video I upload. This is it from Money Heist. I will see you next time.